we feel na they have a very good chance to podium and to go all the way. No? So ako personally, I feel like this is the best chance for us to win that elusive gold medal in the Olympics. So, kami, pagka nag-uusap-usap kami, we focus on the process. We let the results take care of itself. No? But we're very optimistic na this is really a strong five that we're bringing. And yung qualification process kasi na to very difficult din for everyone. No? Kahit kina Carlo, si Yumir, umakyat sila ng weight class 5 kilos, diba? So talagang maliit sila sa timbang nila. And then itong tatlo rin, they went through a lot, no? just to be able to qualify. So kaya kumbaga pag nag-qualify ka, talagang you really have a good chance to go all the way. No? So yeah. And then regarding our final phase of preparation, so we're flying to Metz, France on the 22nd to join the other Philippine members of the Philippine delegation for the training camp. But we'll just stay there until the 1st of July because we're going to Saarbrücken, Germany for a multi-nation training camp with other qualified boxers from other countries like US, Australia, India, Thailand, Cuba, Mongolia. So we'll be there for mga 3 weeks rin. So obviously for us, we need training partners. So we go where the training partners are, and so majority of the time prior to the Paris Olympics, we'll be in Germany.
And as well as this boxer train for 1 month at the Colorado Spring training camp. So now, how would you assess the choice of this boxer? Can they realize the dream, bring the gold medal at the time the Philippines celebrating its 100 years in the Olympic Games?
That's everyone's hope, diba? For us to be able to finally get that elusive gold medal. No? So, syempre lahat tayo gusto yon, and lahat din kami gusto yon. No? So, and yun yung pinaghihirapan, yun yung pinagtatrabahuhan. Isa yan sa kumbaga lighthouse or North Star ng ating team, no? Because we really want to get there. No? But obviously, the gold is not completely under our control. Diba? What's completely under our control is the preparation, or RD preparation, our own performances, how we take care of our bodies, how we support their well-being. Diba? So yun yung dun kami naka-focus. And yung gold medal will just be a natural byproduct of all the hard work and the efforts na pinagsama-sama ng mga nasa team, boxers, coaches, support staff, officials, sponsors, everyone, no? So ganun namin siya na-approach. But yes, just like everyone, we want to get there. We want to finish at the top of the podium. Diba? Gusto nating maramdaman yun kasi grabe yung potential impact nun sa buong bansa, diba? And sa mga buhay na rin nila at sa mga pamilya nila, diba? But yes, we want to get that, but we are more focused on the steps on how we're gonna get there. So ganun naman namin siya in-approach. And then yeah, there's a lot of pressure, definitely, expectations, no? And then I think at this point we have embraced that. We have acknowledged that it's part of what we do, diba? Na kakambal na natin yan, kasama na yan sa ginagawa natin. And hindi naman ito yung first time na they've been under pressure. Pressure builds diamonds, ika nga, diba? And that's what we're hoping to happen also this time. So sana, yun yung hope natin lahat.
Maraming salamat.